My fluffy cottage cheese biscuits are perfect to serve with soups, stews, and chilies any day of the week. In a large bowl, combine white flour, whole wheat flour, salt, baking powder, onion powder, and herbs. Whisk the dry ingredients together to combine, and then cut in the butter. You can use your hands to do this or a pastry cutter. Once the butter has been broken down in pea-sized pieces, set it aside. For the wet ingredients in a small bowl, combine the eggs, the milk, and the cottage cheese. Whisk the wet ingredients together until well combined. In the dry ingredients, make a well and then pour the wet ingredients in the center. Use your rubber spatula to combine the two together until just combined and still pretty shaggy. Place a large piece of plastic wrap on your counter and then pour the batter onto the plastic wrap. Use the plastic wrap to flatten out the dough and shape it in a large rectangle. Make sure that it's closed up tight, and then into the fridge it goes for 20 minutes to chill. When ready to bake, preheat your oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your dough on your floured surface, a little bit more flour on top, and then roll it out in a large rectangle, fold it over, and then a little bit more flour, and roll it out into its final rectangle shape. Use a measuring tape to make sure you have a 10-inch by 7-inch wide rectangle. Cut your rectangle in 12 equal pieces. Transfer the biscuits to a parchment paper lined baking tray, and into the preheated oven it goes until nice and golden. Let them cool slightly and you're ready to enjoy these delicious biscuits. Find the full recipe at FrenchKidsCook.com.